We just got this pop-up canopy from Crown Shades and we are going to go to the backyard and set it up. I love that it is on wheels. Everything's tucked away in here. Makes it super easy. Okay, so I just took the bag off and this is the frame and then this is the roof, the canopy part. It also comes with some sandbags that you can fill up so it stays in place. And you should be able to do this with one person. I think I'm gonna get my husband to help me, but basically all you have to do is you need to stretch this across and then it's just gonna snap into place. So I'm gonna get his help, we're gonna do that and we'll be right back. Okay, so we just stretched it out. I've never seen this before. So this part here, check this out. This comes up and you snap it in, and then as you can see, it's low right now because now we're gonna put the canopy on, and then once the canopy's on, then you're actually going to raise the legs because obviously if it's already up, it's gonna be really hard to get the roof part on. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so it literally took my husband and I like 3 minutes to put up. Super, super simple. Once we put the canopy on, we went right from the middle and then it just kind of fits snugly into the sides here. And there are a few spots where you actually slip it in and connect it so it's not actually gonna fly off. And then we did the legs next and we just pushed this up, as I'm doing it now, and then it just clips into place like that. And we did all 4. You could totally do this by yourself. It is easier with 2 people just because as you're trying to lift up the sides, it gets a little bit awkward. So my suggestion is if you have 2 people, you go on opposite sides and you lift up those sides first and then the other 2. That's what we did. In case you're wondering what this here is the sandbag. So it does come with 4 of these. So if you do not have a place to anchor it in, because it does also come with the little spikes to anchor it into the ground. As you can see, if I wanted to put it out here, this is concrete and I couldn't do that, but I don't want it to fly away. So you've got one of these. You can just fill it up with sand. You can fill it up with rocks, and then you would just attach it to the pole down here. And as I said, it comes with 4 of them, so then that will keep it nice and weighted. Yeah, one of the easiest ones to put together. We've put a few of these together before, and one of the first ones we've ever had that actually comes with a side shade. So this here, you can remove, of course, it's just got these hooks here that you can hook on. You can put it on any side, depending on where you need that shade from. And you've got some Velcro here to attach it to the pole. So yeah, if you're just kind of at the beach and you like that sun streaming on the side, just put that up and you're good to go. So this one is red, obviously, as you can see, comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is 10 by 10, but it also comes in 8 by 8.